Hey movers and makers, it's Jen from Jen's Crawling Creations, and today we are jumping into a new project where we are making a little mold of these cute little duckies. So since this project is going to be food safe, I'm planning on making a cute little treat with these. I want to make sure that I am using food grade silicone, okay? Not all silicones are made the same, so if you're planning on doing something with food, you want to make sure you have the right stuff. So an overview over our materials here, we are going to be using Cast-A-Mold Platinum, and I'm going to be using Ocean Blue. I figured it'd be cute since we're doing little ducks. Okay, mixing cup, mixing stick, going to be using hot glue to secure these, and of course a scale so that we can measure out our silicone when it's time. Alright, we move some of these things out of the way. Alright, so for housing, you can use what you're comfortable with. I will be using this today. It is actually from Alumilite. Let me just get this piece of hot glue off of here. So it's from Alumilite, and this is 8 ounces, so we kind of already know what we need to measure out. There's also a kit from Let's Resin that is adjustable. You can, clip the pieces together, make it smaller or make it bigger. So whatever you're comfortable with using, go with that. I will be using this. Alright, so nothing too exciting here. We're just going to be taking our little duckies. We're going to put a tiny bit of hot glue on the bottom. Make sure we don't make a trail. And then we're just going to pop it on in like that and push down to make sure it is secure. And now I'm just going to repeat the process, I guess. Okay. I could have spaced a little better, but it is not the end of the world. Alright, so here we have our little duckies. As you see, the mold is big enough to hold them all. In bottom view, make sure everybody's pressed down. Hot glue gun switched off. And we are going to talk about another product really quick that I'm going to be using. Alright, so this is silicone thinning agent. It's also from SRC. And what we're going to be doing is we're just going to be adding a small percentage, 5% by weight, to our silicone. That way we can have it be a little more fluid and we're able to get under these little ducky chins, because in the past when I've tried to make similar molds, I haven't been able to without there being like some sort of bubble trapped in here. So I'm hoping that with our thinning agent that we'll be able to get in there much better. Alright, it's time for us to get moving along. So now we're going to slip on our gloves. Safety first. Okay, so alright, so there we are. We have 4 ounces of part A. And this is a 1-to-1 ratio, so the math is pretty simple. Reset the scale and pour part B. Okay, so we are going to use 5%, and 5% of this is going to be approximately 0.4 ounces. So we are just going to carefully trickle this in here. Okay, we are about where we need to be. Just clean up one more. Okay, perfect. Now it's time for us to get mixy. And as always, scrape your sides. We don't want to leave any gunk. Now let's give our duckies a little pond. So I'm going to just squeeze it onto the paddle. And then in we go. I didn't want to use too much. So I'm going to add just another little dot. I'm just going to give this a little tilt around so that I can make sure I get the entire bottom covered. I mean, it'll get covered anyways, but I just want to make sure I get into some of these grooves. All right. Alright, well we had some that decided to hang on, so let's get those on out of there. Pop this one out, and then we're just going to go over here and pop this one out. So it doesn't look too bad. There's a little bit that needs to be cleaned up, but otherwise it's good. And for our little treat, I decided to make gummies. So we have unflavored gelatin that I bloomed off camera with some orange juice. And I'm just going to go ahead and fill up these cavities. Well, these are going to go head off to the fridge to set for the next few hours. And we are back. So looks like they've set pretty nice. Now I just want to make sure I can get them out without breaking them. I'm not sure how strong the gelatin is. But look at that little cutie. And we'll ignore that head that got left in there. I was a little aggressive. And we pop another one out and another one. I am pretty happy with how this mold came out. And now that I have it, I can make all the little ducky gummies that I want, or ice cubes for cute little drinks. The possibilities are endless since it was made with cast and mold platinum, which is food safe.